Hi guys, so today I will be talking about Carlini Olive Oil Cooking Spray, and this is just made with real extra virgin olive oil. It just says serving suggestions, and then the net weight is 5 ounces, 141 grams. Caution, flammable spray. I literally am going to talk about that a little bit later on, but it just says non-stick, easy clean, 0 grams fat per serving, and then 0.25 gram serving, calories 0, saturated fat 0, sodium 0 mg, sugars is 0 grams. And yeah, moving on to the back, it just says try Carlini cooking spray to prepare pans for all of your baking needs. And then it just gives the instructions. It gives the warning, flammable spray, which I said I would talk about a little bit later on. But yeah, and so getting into Carlini olive oil spray, I think the main thing with any spray is you want to be cautious, just because whatever you're using to base your pan with and to spray your pan with, that's honestly very important. Just spray has ingredients in it too, and that's one thing you always want to remember. So like I said, that's the one thing you always want to remember, is that spray has ingredients too, and that's the one thing that I forgot. So I was getting this butter based spray, but I was getting this butter based spray, and the one thing that I kept forgetting is that spray has ingredients in it too, which is just not something I'm spraying at the bottom of my pan to keep from sticking. And so the one that I used before this was this butter one. It was not that healthy at all, and I found myself just tasting a lot of butter when I would spray it. So a friend actually recommended this to me, and okay, before I started cooking, I was a baker. I grew up in Girl Scouts, and so we grew up baking brownies. I grew up baking cookies. I love baking. For any fundraiser I had in high school with any club I was a part of, I always would bake, and my mom would assist me. So I guess we kind of use, it's this wax paper that we would use at the bottom of dishes, and so that would make it easier for me to cook on. But as I got older, I was like, you know what, I want to learn how to bake the real way. The one thing that I found, the problem that I have is I have a lot of burnt dishes and a lot of things that get stuck to the bottom of things, simply because I bake wrong, as without assistance from my parents. So I basically am a huge child and I baked wrong. But yeah, so just going into this, I wanted something that was not buttery, and like I said, I had a friend recommend this to me, and this is just the olive oil spray. I'm gonna get into what I use it for, what I think of the product, some cons that I have, and just the flammable part. So what I use this for, I use this at the base of anything that I cook that might stick. So I tend to spray this before I make omelets or eggs. Definitely when I bake, like I just mentioned, I am an advocate baker, even though it still sucks sometimes. I still attempt. Never give up on your dreams. But I love the spray just because it's olive oil infused and not buttery. And right here it just says made with real extra virgin olive oil, which I appreciate. And then it's 0 grams fat per serving. I love that there's a lot in it, and with this, honestly, it just brings such a light flavor to my palate. It's not overpowering, and the whole point is for it to not to stick, but you not to gain any extra calories or fats from it, and that's what I do appreciate about this as well. One thing, some cons that I have, guys, you tend to have to use a lot for it to really work, especially with certain dishes. So with eggs, not so much, but when I bake, I feel like I'm spraying half the bottle, and this is my 3rd bottle this year of this stuff, just because I end up having to use so much. But yeah, that's my con. It's just sometimes it doesn't work for certain things. But just going into the flammable part, okay, a very funny story. So my flame was up really high on the stove, and I didn't know that if you kind of like got the flame a little bit, like it would spark. Like I sprayed the pan, but the pan was on the fire, and I ended up spraying this in the pan, and the flame around it sparked because I guess it hit the flame a little bit, and it was just honestly like very, very like eye-opening. Like my life flashed before my eyes because the fire went up so high. So that is like my PSA announcement with this video. Just be very careful because this is flammable. So if you do purchase it, just monitor any kids if they decide to use it, and just be careful yourself because I'm an adult and I almost had a bad accident with this. So but like I said before, guys, for the most part, this is a good cooking spray. It's better than a lot of butter-based sprays that I've tried, but this is just the Carlini Olive Oil cooking spray, and it's very good.